just remembered something.
What is it, Fizzy?
Fizzy magic!
Oh, yeah!
Fizzy! Whizzy! Bobizzy! Bop! Whoa! We made it to the airport!
Hooray, hooray! I'm so happy, Fizzy!
Oh, is it time to board the airplane now? No, you still have an hour before we start boarding. Feel free to go have a snack or explore our gift shop.
Oh, did somebody say gift shop?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Fizzy, there are milkshakes, cake, cookies. Can I get a little treat, please?
Okay, just one thing.
Thanks, Fizzy. I'm going to get one thing. Super delicious, Fizzy.
What did you get?
I got a smoothie. It tastes like bananas and strawberries.
Oh, delicious, Phoebe.
It's the gift shop. There's all kinds of cool things. And I forgot to bring a stuffed animal. How am I going to sleep without my stuffy?
Okay, Phoebe. You can get one stuffed animal.
Thanks. And I also forgot my headphones.
If you find headphones in there, you can also get headphones.
Aw, thanks, Fizzy. Time to go inside. I'm all done shopping.
Well, what did you get?
I found headphones and I got a little teddy bear.
That sounds perfect, Phoebe. Now it's time for us to board the airplane.
We better move quickly. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, my suitcase. It fell over and everything fell out.
Okay, everyone, the airplane is boarding now. Everyone hurry, let's get on board. Oh no, we're gonna run out of time. We're going to miss our airplane.
We need Miss Hands here. I can't clean this up all by myself. There's just not enough time.
Miss Hands! Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Whoa, what happened to your suitcase, Phoebe?
I was in such a hurry to board the airplane. I knocked my suitcase over and everything fell out. Can you help me?
Of course I can help. Let's do this quickly so you can get on your airplane. Let's see everything Phoebe packed in her suitcase. Well, it looks like she has a cute little outfit here. It says sweet on it. We'll put that back in here. Ooh, she has a very fancy pink jacket. We'll get that back in there. She has a bathing suit in case she goes swimming on vacation. Put that right in there.
I can't wait to go into the hotel pool. I love swimming.
Swimming is lots of fun. Let me finish putting clothes back in here. Whoa, look at this pink skirt. That is so cool, Phoebe. Okay, we'll put that back in here. And let's see, any more clothes? Yes. Phoebe has a hat. That will be great to keep the sun out of her eyes. It looks like she's bringing a couple of handbags. We'll put those in there. Phoebe's bringing cute little slippers. Put those in there. Phoebe, I found some headphones over here. Didn't you just buy a pair?
Oopsie, I did. I thought I forgot to pack those.
Well, don't worry, Phoebe. Now you have an extra pair just in case something goes wrong. And here's your little teddy bear that you bought at the store. We'll put both of these in your suitcase. It looks like you have some sunglasses in case it gets very sunny. You have a cool little pillow. You have your little fanny pack here. All right, that's perfect for when you go hiking or walking to carry your belongings. Phoebe, looks like you brought a little extra hair.
Yes, I mean, just look at it. It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. Let's go ahead and put that in your suitcase. Whoa, this almost went rolling away. It's a soccer ball and it's a fidget toy. Phoebe, you brought a lot of toys. Let's see if everything fits back in this suitcase. No wonder it popped open with it being so full. Phoebe! Phoebe! You brought way too many toys!
Sorry, it was my first time packing for an airplane ride.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, before we put the rest of the toys in there, we have Phoebe's little toothbrush. We'll make sure that gets in there. And for her beautiful hair, we have this blow dryer. We'll put that right back in here. Okay, it looks like she brought a starfish toy. Look at all the little bumps on the back of it. Okay, we'll try to fit that in here. She brought a really big fidget toy called a snapper. That's pretty cool, but super big. Oh no. We'll have to see if this suitcase can close after we put these last two toys in there. Oh boy. This definitely won't fit in there if we have it stretched out. So I'm going to do this and make it much smaller. In the suitcase it goes. And it looks like we have a squishy toy. That is so very cool, but also so very big for this suitcase.
Miss Hands, maybe I'll just hold that on the airplane.
I think that's a great idea because I don't think it's going to fit in your suitcase. So you can hold it. I'll put it right here. And now the moment of truth. Will everything fit? Will everything fit? Yes! Uh-oh. Yay! Uh-oh. Yay! Uh-oh. Okay, let me try to reposition some things and see if it will close. Ta-da! It's closed.
Phew! That's a relief that it closed. Thanks, Miss Hands.
You're welcome, Phoebe. And that suitcase is so big. I have this that we can put it on. And it'll make it much easier to just push it onto the airplane. We can even take Fizzy's little backpack and put that on here too.
Oh, thanks, Miss Hands. Oh no! Phoebe! What is it, Fizzy?
I forgot our plane tickets.
Oh no! Now we can't go on vacation!
Hey, you guys, don't worry. I just happened to find these sitting at home. They're your plane tickets.
Oh, thanks so much, Miss Hands.
Did you say plane tickets? I'll take those right away. You guys are the last ones to get on the airplane, so hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, okay, here you go. Here are their plane tickets. Great, I'll just scan those. Okay, all right, looks like you two are all set and ready to get on the airplane.
Hooray, we did it! Well, not quite. Let's get on that airplane.
Come on, let's go!
Whoa, I almost forgot my suitcase. Now it's time to really get on that airplane. This is so cool. I've never been on an airplane before.
Well, welcome aboard, you two. I was worried you weren't going to make this flight. Did I hear this is your first time flying?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Mine too. Well, it looks like we're going to have smooth skies ahead of us. I hope you guys can just sit down, relax, enjoy your lunch, and maybe watch a movie.
Whoa, watch a movie, eat lunch.
Best day ever!
Ah, these seats are pretty comfortable.
Yeah, they are, Phoebe.
Oh no, Fizzy, I have a big problem.
What is it, Phoebe?
I need to use the bathroom.
Oh, Phoebe, I heard what you just said. You have 2 minutes. Hurry, run to the bathroom.
Okay, thanks so much. Okay, let me run to the bathroom. Ah, food! I love food. Wait, I need to stay focused and get to the bathroom. Oh, good. Here's the bathroom. Woo! What a relief. Okay, time to get back to my seat.
Okay, everyone, seatbelts on. It's time for us to take to the skies.
Woo-hoo! Whoa, Fizzy! I can feel the airplane going up in the sky.
Yeah, it feels so cool. Okay, everyone, we have hit maximum altitude. We will be cruising for a bit. Someone will be coming around with lunch.
Lunch! I'm so excited!
Okay, everybody, I have some lunch options here.
Oh, what are the lunch options?
We have breakfast for lunch, so you can get eggs, croissant, and bacon. We also have a turkey sandwich, and we also have a salad option. What would you like?
Ooh, I love breakfast. I'll have breakfast for lunch.
Okay, eggs and bacon coming right up. Okay, here it is. How does it look?
It looks so yummy. Thank you.
Okay, sir. What would you like to have?
You called me sir. That's so funny. I would love to have a sandwich. And can I get that with French fries, please?
You sure can. Here's our sandwich. It comes with French fries, and you even get a slice of pie. I hope that's okay.
Ooh, pie? pie? Yes, pie is always okay. Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know. All right, see you guys. Enjoy your food. Okay, everyone, we have about 30 minutes left, so please wrap up anything that you're eating and prepare for landing.
Wow, that was a super fast airplane ride. Yeah, and it was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a fizzy fantastic day. We will.